So this is for class 9, chapter number 2, polynomials and factorization, exercise 2.5. The question is, solve this multiplication by using identity. Okay, not without using identity. For that, to have the clarity, I am showing in both the method, without identity and with identity. Without identity, if you want to solve just normal multiplication like how daily we will be doing in calculation, like 9 ones are 9, 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, plus 9 ones are 9, 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9. Then afterwards 9, 9, add the numbers we are going to get here 9999. Now here same answer you are going to get, but we are going to use an identity here. Which identity I will show you? 100 minus 1 and 100 plus 1. Why? Because 101 we can write as 100 plus 1 and 99 we can write as 99 we can write as 100 minus 1. Is it matching or not? Next, now if you observe carefully, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The identity is a square minus b square. This identity we are going to use to solve this. And if you observe here, a value is 100, b value is 1. So in the place of a, we are going to substitute 100 whole square minus 1 square. 100 whole square will be 10,000. Why? Because 2 zeros are there. Whole square 2 zeros will become 4 zeros. And 1 square is 1. When you subtract, we are going to get 9,990. And you will say, sir, this is taking lot of time. For exponential, it is taking lot of time. But if you are really once or twice you practice and you are habituated this method, in mind you are going to get this answer. Am I clear? So in exam you need to use this method only because they are asking solve this product using identity. Here this is the identity we are using. Okay? Thank you.